Hello, welcome back to the Stay Fitness channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Daniela. I'm a fitness, nutrition and life coach specializing in obesity and diabetes management. So as usually I'm in like random places in my flat because I'm trying to get optimal light, and now it's winter. I mean, it's not winter yet, it's fall maybe. Well, it feels like winter in London because we get very little sun. But yeah, I'm not gonna bore you with the details of my life in London. So today is a very special recipe. I am so excited because when you do this like low carb keto, animal based, mostly meat diet, you don't get to eat much like not comfort food. It's like in Italy we say primi piatti, which means first course, which is like pasta, gnocchi, lasagna, all this carby thing, we call them first course. The meat and stuff like that is the second course, so I don't get to eat a lot of first courses. So trying to substitute is always usually a disaster, but today I think I got it right. I haven't tasted it yet, I'm gonna taste it on camera. So we are going to be making keto, carnivore-ish, ketovore cannelloni. So you can make it carnivore. I'm gonna explain you, it's very easy. You can adapt it to carnivore. So first thing you need to make the keto cannelloni is the protein sparing noodles, which you can find the recipe in the description below or up here, like we never know. Really easy to make, really worth it, so go and have a look at that video. They're from the Ketogenic Woman, so thank you Ketogenic Woman. And then the next thing you need is like a bolognese sauce, which you can make. If you're gonna make carnivore, you just make it with mince. If you're gonna make it ketovore, you can add onion, garlic, and then a bit of tomato sauce. But the most important thing is that you really dry it out, because it's going to make filling the cannelloni so much easier, and to facilitate even more when it's cold. So it's very important you cool it, because when usually these things, when they cool, like they kind of stick together. You can add some Parmesan cheese, which is kind of like a binder to make it even nice and thick, like almost like a paste. And the other thing you need is some tomato sauce with some mascarpone, which again, if you're carnivore, you just leave that out and make like a cheese sauce with like mascarpone, double cream, some Parmesan cheese. But for me, I made which is tomato sauce, and I melted some mascarpone, about a cup of tomato sauce with half a tub, which 125 grams of mascarpone. Actually, tomato mascarpone is pretty typical in Italy as like pasta condiment. So then you cut your noodles at the desired like size for your cannelloni, and then it's so easy. I was not expecting it to be so easy to fill up this cannelloni. Look at, I just roll them up in the noodle and put them in a baking tray, which I put a little bit of sauce at the bottom so they don't stick and they stay nice and moisturized. And then you fill up all your cannelloni, cover it with the sauce, put some extra Parmesan on top, and then bake it until it's all bubbly. As you can see, I burned a few of the roll because they weren't covered in sauce. It's really important that everything is nice and covered with sauce. But here they are, they hold up the cooking really well. I'm so pleased with the shape, but the question is, do they taste great? Let's see. Now, really nice. Note to myself, I think they need more sauce. They're not saucy enough. So I think I might make some extra sauce to add at the top when I eat them. They are a bit, because of course the bolognese inside was quite dry. It wasn't so like very saucy, so we need to balance that out with more sauce on top, more almost like adding a bit of liquid to the whole thing. But overall, wait, I'm gonna grab them. Like, they hold the shape so well. they cook really well. So yeah, I think amazing. Like, I'm so surprised. Of course, they're gonna be as good as the filling you put in, but you can of course do the classic like spinach and ricotta, or any other filling that you enjoy, of course. It could be like chicken and spinach with some sort of cheese, like ricotta cheese or something like that could also work. But yeah, I think the only thing is the egg really needs sauce. Like, the noodle is quite dry, so you need to hammer it with moisture. But yeah, like, so pleased. Like, this noodle from the Ketogenic Woman has been super great, so I'm really grateful for her to inventing this recipe. And of course you can use it for lasagna, like for anything else, but the fact that I was able to roll it up and it hold its shape, it didn't like just completely like how you say, I can't find the word, but I didn't just freaking lost the shape. But yeah, really pleased. Give it a go. Let me know how you like your cannelloni or any other like Italian first course, as we learn how what does that mean. But thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below what you thought. Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Follow my Instagram page. Have a lovely evening, day, or anytime you're watching this video, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.